10 smart jobs you can street art with just a mobile phone and the internet. You don't necessarily need a computer to earn a good income. If you have a smartphone and an internet connection, you can start one of these 10 smart jobs today. Freelancing on Upwork. Upwork is a world-renowned freelancing platform. Using its mobile app or mobile browser, you can find work in writing, small research tasks, or data entry. You can write articles using your phone's Google Docs or Notes app and submit them directly to your clients. Simple gigs on Fiverr. Download the Fiverr app on your phone and create a profile. You can offer small, quick services like setting background music for videos, removing image backgrounds, or writing short captions. These tasks can be done professionally using various free mobile apps. Sell photos on Shutterstock. You can upload beautiful photos of nature, cityscapes, like the streets of Dhaka, or food taken with your phone camera directly to submit.shutterstock.com. You'll earn a fixed amount in dollars every time someone downloads your photo. Adobe Stock Photography. Similar to Shutterstock, Adobe Stock is a major platform for selling high-quality photos and illustrations. If the resolution of your phone camera photos is good, you can generate a solid passive income here. Local reselling. Buy unique products, like gadgets or t-shirts, from a wholesale market in your area and list them for sale on Facebook Marketplace. When you get an order, simply send it via courier. You can manage the entire business right from your phone. Mobile graphic design. Using apps like Canva or Pixelab, you can create impressive graphic designs. Many small business owners and entrepreneurs are looking for mobile designers to create YouTube thumbnails, Facebook covers, or logos. Transcription. Transcription involves listening to an audio or video file and typing out what you hear. This can be easily done on your phone by listening and typing, or by using a voice-to-text app to make the process faster. Video editing. We are in the age of Reels, Shorts, and TikTok. Learn video editing using apps like CapCut or InShot. You can earn well by helping content creators edit their videos, cutting unnecessary parts, adding subtitles, and inserting transitions. Resume and cover letter writing. Create professional CVs and resumes for job seekers. Canva has many free templates. You simply need to input your client's information into a template, design it nicely, and deliver it as a PDF. The entire process can be done on your phone.